So I got the Sim Spam paper towel holder. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this thing installed on your cabinet so you know exactly what to expect when your paper towel holder arrives. So here's what you get. So you get the stainless steel paper towel holder. Comes fully assembled for you. You don't have to put anything together, which is super nice. Now there's going to be two different ways that you can get this attached to your cabinet. They're going to give you an adhesive strip here so you can just stick it on there. Personally, that's going to be the way that I do it. I find that just to be easier. But they're also going to give you some screws here and tools to get this actually screwed in there and secured. So it's kind of up to you. If you're renting or you don't have the power tools to do it, I would just go this way. Otherwise, if you really want to get it in there and you're worried about it falling off, which I show you it won't fall off, if you really want to get it secured in there, you can drill it in with these. Now for the installation part, personally, like I showed you, I'm going to do the adhesive. So all we're going to do here is literally just unpeel this, just like that. Put this part on there, get it all lined up perfectly. There you go. That's going to be what it looks like. Now we're just going to find the place we're going to put it. I'm going to put it right by my sink under here. So we're just going to peel it off. Find the spot I want to put it. I'm going to go right here. I'll get it stuck up in there. We'll be good to go. All right, so now we got that installed. All we got to do is put our paper towels on there. Go like that. Push it back. There you go. You got your paper towel holder installed. That took maybe, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds to do. This does its job exactly as it should. Super, super easy to do. And I would say this is very like renter friendly if you don't want to mess up your cabinet. So I give this 2 thumbs up.